Let's talk about game controller Gamepad, USB wired controller Joypad Joystick, shoulders buttons improved ergonomic design Joypad Gamepad controller for Xbox 360 Slim 360 PC Windows 78910. Powerful compatibility for PC and Xbox 360, Xbox 360 Slim, for Windows systems. Comfortable buttons at the center of the controller. You will find the Smart button. The use of this controller is firmer and more convenient. Enables maximum comfort and endless gameplay. The new left and right shoulder buttons are designed for easy use. Double vibration. Two analog sticks can be positioned precisely, an analog and double precision control that toggles you to play comfortably. 3 rumble control levels: full, medium, low or off to match your personal preferences. Built-in port for Xbox Live Game. The Smart button of the Xbox Guide button gives you quick access to digital movies, music, and game libraries. Length of cable. The cable is linked around 16017 cm. Great at first, then it broke after a month of use. Not happy?